Yeah, hi, good morning. My name is Sanjay Rana. I'm voice and accent trainer from Winglish English Private Limited. I have been thinking to provide voice and accent training for a long time uh, because I have seen there is a lot of confusion regarding American English and British English and Aussie English, and people they are unaware like what is American English and what is British English and what is Aussie English, right? And so many people they say anything about voice and accent, and I'm so sorry to say that so many people they don't have any idea about voice and accent, and still they are just saying whatever they have in their mind. So I come up with this idea that I should provide voice and accent training, uh, so that people don't have any kind of doubt regarding voice and accent, right? So this voice and accent training will help those people who want to join BPO and traveling industry and aviation industry, or those people who are in public dealing, right? So this voice and accent training definitely is going to help them a lot, right? And if you have any kind of doubt regarding your vocabulary, your voice and accent, and related to English, so you can download our app. It's called Winglish English Private Limited. You can simply go to Play Store, and from Play Store you can download this app, and you can keep in touch with us 24 hours round the clock anytime, and don't hesitate to contact us, right? And before I move any further, I just want to know that in entire world, majorly we have four kind of accent. Is called British accent, and in India, uh, it's been around more than 250 years. We have been speaking English, British, generally British English. Now American English is also catching up, right? Every person is fascinated towards American English, and everybody is talking about American accent, American English, and all like that. So British and American and Aussie. Aussie means English, which is spoken in Australia, is called Aussie, and Scottish. So these are major four accent in the world, right? And I'll let you know what is the major difference between American English and British English, right? So today I want to teach you only those kind of things which are common in all sort of accent, whether it is British accent or whether it is American accent or any sort of accent, right? So I wish you good luck. And one more thing I just want to let you know is that never try to copy any person and never imitate any person. And you have your own style of pronouncing word, you have your own tone, right? So be natural. I mean, so many people they have fake accent, right? They try to imitate American or Britisher. It looks so awkward, right? So you don't have to be a kind of laughing stock, right? As far as pronunciation is concerned, you have to be natural. You have to be neutral. One more thing I would like to advise you that you don't have to speak like an American, or you don't have to speak like a Britisher. You have to speak natural English, neutral English, right? And neutral English is accepted everywhere in the world, right? So let's just start your first class. In first class, I'm going to include those kind of things which are common in all sort of accent, right? The first thing which I want to teach you is th sound. So whenever th sound is there in Hindi, we say tha and da, right? So if any word starts with the th, so you have to just what you have to do, you have to just pull your tongue little bit out, right? Like thank you, there, then, this, that, right? So little bit take your tongue out, right? Pull your tongue out and try to pronounce it, right? And voice and accent is something takes a little bit time, right? So if you keep practicing uh, for 1 month or for 2 months, so you can be perfect in it, right? You can write some words which start with th and then keep practicing that, right? And thanks for watching our video and have a good day. And you can download our app. It's called Winglish English Private Limited. Thank you.